Hello, all my dear viewers. Very warm welcome in my YouTube channel English Junction by JJ. Today I am going to explain you question and answers of class 7th poem Song of the Brook from your book English Junction, publication Orient Black Swan. So, this is a poem Song of the Brook. I am just taking it from a theme, the world around us. It is from comprehension A. Answer these questions. So the first question is, from where has the speaker come? The speaker means here brook. Brook is coming from where? So the answer from this question is, the speaker comes from the places where the water is home to birds. Okay, this is the answer for the first question. So the next question is, what does the speaker mean by for men may come and men may go, but I go on forever? So the answer for this question is, the brook has been flowing this way for many years. As long as there is water, the brook will continue to flow. As the years pass, people are born and they live and die, but the brook just keep flowing. Here poet wants to say that people may come, means people born birth of the peoples and die. This cycles. Poet is going to give his indications. The poet is giving indication about the birth and death cycle of a human being, and he is saying that the human beings are immortal and the brook is immortal because brook will continuous flow on the same way. The next question is, what are the different sounds made by the brook on its way? When the brook is flowing over the pebbles and all, what the sound is produced by that brook, that is stream, that you have to write here. The answer for this question is, the sounds the brook makes are beaker, chatter, bubble and babble. Okay, the next question is, the movements made by the brook are described in many ways. What are they? The answer for this question is, the movements are described so that we can see in how many different ways water can flow. The brook darts suddenly, or it bubbles over a stony way, and in some places in a flow passively and to its destination. This is the answer for this question. So the next answer is, next question is here, what are the obstacles that the brook faces on its way? What are the problems that a brook is facing when when the stream or a brook is just flowing? So the answer for this question is, the brook has to go down hills, slip between ridges, flow over stony ways and a curve in many places before it joins the river or a booming river. You can also write. Okay, the next question is, what does the brook carry along with it? brook अपने साथ लेकर क्या क्या लेकर बह रहा था? What the things he was just carrying along with it? Okay, the answer for this question is, the brook carries foamy flakes and a golden gravels with it to the river. Golden gravels means that वो रेत, golden रेत means when the sun rays is just जब सूरज की रोशनी पड़ रही थी रेत पे, that's why it's saying golden gravel, रेत पर, तो वो गोल्डन सुनहरे रंग का शाइन कर रहा था, शाइनिंग लाइक अ गोल्डन. Okay, the next question is from a B, think and answer. The question is, the title says that the poem is the song of the brook. In what ways is the poem a song? So the answer for this question is, the brook is joyously telling us about its journey to meet the river. The repetitions and different sounds make it a sound as though the brook is singing. So the next and last question from this poem is this. It is from a C, work in a pair. This is a work in a pair. Discuss with Discuss this with your partner. The question is, imagine you are a stone at the bottom of a river. What are the things that you will see? I left this question for you children because here imagine you have to write, you have to imagine that you are a stone, कि आप स्टोन हो कहाँ पर, बॉटम, एक रिवर की गहराइयों में एकदम नीचे आप एक स्टोन हो, आपको वहाँ पर क्या क्या चीज़ें दिख रही है. व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू विल सी, आपको वहाँ पर क्या क्या थिंग्स दिखती है, दैट यू हैव टू राइट. अगर आप एक पत्थर हो, एक स्टोन हो जो कहाँ पर है, नदी के बिल्कुल अंदर नीचे बॉटम में पड़ा हुआ है, तो क्या दिखेंगे वहाँ पे? फिशेस दिखेंगे, गोल्डन ग्रे कलर्स फिशेस आप बोल सकते हो, फिशेस दिख सकते हैं, स्टोन्स, पैबल्स, एल्गीज, ऑल दिस थिंग्स जो भी एक समुद्र की गहराइयों में दिखता है वही चीज़ आपको दिख सकता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोएम जो चीज़ इसमें मेंशन हुई है, दैट ओनली यू कैन राइट हियर. सो हियर इज द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स फॉर योर पोएम. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and do comment in a comment box. And soon I will make a video on poetic devices also in this poem. Okay, thank you.